And we now go on to division of algebraic fractions. Okay, the first step you must do is to make sure that they all look like fractions first. So if let's say one of them isn't, you have to convert it to a fraction looking thing like this. Okay, after which the divide you change to times, and when you convert that division to times, you invert, okay, the second fraction. And now that we have arrived at a multiplication problem, it's back to what you have learned just now. So in this case, we cancel A, we cancel the 15 and the 10 because I can reduce this to lowest terms. And then we multiply these things together to get the final answer. In this case, 3 over 16. I hope that you find this easy to understand. Now moving on, we move on to example B. Okay, in B, we do the same thing. First step first is always to convert the division to multiplication. Remember to invert the second fraction. When we have finished doing that, we will now try to cross out the terms. Okay, earlier on I wrote the a square as a, and the b cubed as b, b, b. If you don't want to do that, you can actually straight away cancel, although it can be a little bit messy. Okay, just try to be as neat as possible. So for b cubed and b, you realize that after reducing it, you will have b squared left. And for the 4 and 2, you will have a 2 left. So studying what is left, you have 2b squared over 8. Okay, and so that is the final answer for B. Okay, with that, we now move on to C. In question C, you will realize that there is bracket. Okay, not to worry, we will treat it as a whole term. Okay, so cube means there are 3 of these brackets. Again, we change the divide to times, inverting the second fraction as we go along. Okay, after that, we cancel the 3 of these brackets, and there are 2 of these brackets. Okay, after you've cancelled, you will have 1 bracket left. Okay, how about the 27 and the 18? That will be 3 and that will be 2. Okay, so there is 2 here and the p and over 3. Okay, and that is the final answer. You can now go on to do try it too.